Okay, so I'm going to be replacing the gear cable on a 10-speed bike. This is a Schwinn World 10-speed bike. As you can see, it comes in here. And then it goes through this housing. Then it continues here. Right over there, you see that piece over there? So it's cut off. So this whole thing has to come out, including this section. If you follow it, it goes here through another housing. And it goes through here into the derailleur. That's the rest of it. So this whole piece has to come out. Just this section. And this section over here. Okay, and I'm going to be replacing it. I already have the gear cable right here. So this side goes in here to this side, and then I'm going to fish it through here all the way to the derailleur. So I have to take out the old one first, then I'm going to replace it with the new one. An Allen key, you have to loosen this. You're gonna have to take this piece off. This has to come off. Okay, so I got it off. Now I can pull it out. That side is out. I have to get it through the housing. Pull this. Yeah, that's out, and the whole piece is out. Okay, now I'm going to put the new one in. Start it here. Make sure it goes. So it sticks up, so you have to push this down with your finger. Fish it through. Okay, so I got it through. This can be a little tricky because the cable is rigid, so it's going to stick up, so you have to push it down as you fish it through, and then you can get it through the housing. So now you could start pushing it through now. Just push it through all the way until you see it come out of the housing right here. See, it's coming out now. So now we have from this side right here. Just continue to pull it through. It has to go through this loop. You see this loop over here? It has to go under there. Right under. Right, it has to go right through this loop right here, that metal loop. So you have to fish it through there, like so. And now, you got to continue fishing it through to the second section of housing. So it has to go through this loop right here. Okay, so I'm fishing this through. The housing just fell off, but it sticks right through here. See, it goes right in, and it's going to come out through this end, and then you have to put it through here like the old one was in. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, basically what I did here was I installed the gear cable from here, ran it through the housing, now it leaves the housing, it's under this loop, this loop goes further down, goes back into another section of housing, and then goes into the derailleur. It has to be pushed out because the cable is rigid and it has to go through the clamp, which is closed by tightening this screw. Before that happens, then it goes through this clamp and then out through this hole. Now you're going to have excess, so you have to cut this off, and then you can put a cap on here because the edge could start to fray. So you can install this cap right over there. So there you go. That is how to replace a gear cable on a 10-speed bicycle. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.